Nykaa always sends too many boxes, guys. What I have done, I have put all the products in this one box, and yeah, I'm sure you're going to love everything which is inside this box. Hi guys, welcome back to today's video, and I am very excited for today's video because after a very long time, guys, if you watch my videos, you will understand that after a very long time that I am doing a Nykaa haul, and this will be the last Nykaa haul of this 2020. And yes, I have lots and lots of products to show you guys. So let's not waste any more time in talking. Let's just get into the video. So guys, the first product which I like to show you is this. This is from the brand called Vilva. It is their Wild Rose Face Pack, and this is for all skin types, and this is how it looks. It has a very thick gel-like creamy, I don't know, but it is a very thick gel-like consistency it is having, and it is like red clay. It is looking like a red clay. It is having a fragrance which is not overpowering. It has a very mild fragrance, and I really have very high hopes from this one. The next product which I have is this toner from Dot & Key. This is their 5% AHA toner. The packaging is so cute. I think each and every girl is going to like it, and this is how the I'm not opening from here because I don't want to destroy the shape. This is how the product looks like. It comes in a spray bottle, and it is having a very soothing smell. I really like it, but if you're having sensitive skin, you should think twice before using any product which is having fragrance. And please guys, please ignore this background noise. I really can't help it. I had to film this video today, so yeah, here I am. The next product is this Lotus Herbal Nutra Moist Moisturizer. I believe since my channel has started, from that day I am talking about these Lotus products. I really like it, and this is how the moisturizer looks like. By the way, it comes in a glass jar, let me tell you that. And yeah, it is a very light moisturizer, but my skin type is dry and I really like it. I am sure that if you have it is written that it is for all skin types. If you have a dry to normal skin, it is going to suit you a lot, I'm telling you that. And it has a very sweet fragrance. I like it. Okay, I have so many things to show you guys now. This is Maybelline Fit Me Poreless Compact Powder with SPF 28 PA triple plus. Okay, now this is how it looks like. I like the packaging. It is very decent. Okay, so this is how it comes like, and I'm just looking for the shade. Okay, this is light beige. I think is going to suit me. Now the next product which I have with me, this is the VLCC's Rose Water. I use this rose water a lot, guys. I love the fragrance, and it really works for my skin, and it is for all skin types, and it is really affordable also. And this is not a rose water, it is a rose water toner. The next product is this one, guys. This is Body Cupid's Body Cupid's Pink Lotus shower gel. As you can see, the packaging is very nice. It is written over here with essential oil, sulfate free, paraben free, and you will get a lot of product in this one. I have used it once. It smells really good, but the smell doesn't last for a long time, but it doesn't dry out your skin also. And the next I am having this Treseme's Heat Protectant. This is Treseme's Heat Protectant Spray, and I have bought it. I have used it. Let me tell you guys, it does the job, but I am not very impressed by this. This is a short review of this product. I am not very happy with this product, but you can give it a try if you want. And okay, now I got this razors from Tinkle. You must be knowing this. These are really good if you want to like shave your face or something like that. I am like in a rush because I have so many products to show you guys. Now this is the Himalayas neem foaming face wash. I haven't used this face wash, so I bought it. Face wash, right? I haven't used this face wash. This is the first foaming face wash which I am using. I have used it for I think 3-4 times. I liked it. I like Himalayas product, you know. It is affordable also and it works on my skin. Now next I have this Nivea's total face cleanup. It comes in a small size, a small pack like this. Now this face wash is having scrub also. It is written over here, wash plus scrub plus pack oil remover and spot reducer. It is for normal to oily skin. Next product is this one, guys. This is Simple's moisturizing face wash. Now this is a dermatologically tested face wash, and it is non-comedogenic, which is really good, and it is 100% soap free. I wanted to try this product from a long time, and yes, this is the reason I bought this, and I will definitely going to review it after using for few days. I have started using this. Okay, now this one is Ali18 ka kajal. Everybody knows it. It is the kajal, which is very affordable, and it is really good. If you haven't tried this one, you should give it a try. Now the next which I am having is the Nykaa's body scrub. As you can see, this one is Nykaa Wanderlust Cherry Blossom. Okay, I haven't yet opened it. Let me open and show you guys. Show you now. I want to actually talk about the fragrance. Okay. The fragrance is really nice. I liked it. I haven't yet used it. You can understand that after using only I can tell how is it. People are telling good things about this body scrub. Now next I have this Biotica product. I just wanted to try out this one. This is Biotic Bio White Advanced Fairness face wash. I was using their papaya scrub. I liked it, so I bought this. I do not believe in fairness. Let me tell you that I believe in skin brightening, but I don't believe in skin whitening. But still too I bought this one. Okay, the next, you must be thinking why I am rushing. I do not want to make this video lengthy, guys. The next product which I have with me is this. You must be knowing this. This is Everyuth's fruit face wash. This is a moisturizing face wash. I bought it, and let's see how it works on my skin. There are some Everyuth products which really works on my skin well. I hope this is going to work too. Next I have BBlunt's dry shampoo. Okay, now I haven't tried this, let me tell you that, and I will definitely try this out and definitely give my review in some of the videos. Now this is Lakme's Insta Liner. If you're looking for an affordable blue liner, you should go for this one, guys. It is so beautiful. Let me show you. The color is so beautiful. I really liked it. The next product which I have with me is an eyebrow pencil from the brand Etude House. Now guys, I have a mixed feeling about this product. Let me tell you why. Now this is how it looks like. I think you can. This is the deep brown shade, and it has a spoolie also at the end. So this is it. So at times I feel it is working, but you have to put effort because it is a very light color pencil. If I was trying to give it a swatch. So if I just do this, see, it broke. So guys, I really do not like this pencil so much, but yeah, if you want to give it a try, you can give it a try. But if you ask me whether I'm going to repurchase this one, from my end it is just no and no. I'm not going to repurchase this. Now the next product which I have with me is the Lakme Sun Expert with SPF 30. Now this sunscreen really works on me, guys. It is a ultra matte lotion, light, non-sticky. It is dermatologically tested, and the background sound is bothering me a lot, and this is for all skin types. And I really bought the smaller pack because nowadays I am not going out. Unfortunately, we are not going out anywhere, so I do not need a bigger pack. I went for the small one so that it fits in my bag. Now the last two items are lipstick, guys. I'm going to show you. Now guys, this is Maybelline's Flush It Red. It is such a beautiful red color. It's such a gorgeous red color which suits each and every skin tone. Now see how it looks. It is so bright red and it suits my skin tone perfectly. Guys, this is from Nykaa's Matte to Last lipstick. This is the shade Maithili. It is also a beautiful color and it suits each and every skin tone. I bought this smaller pack because guys, I have lots of lipstick and it dries up pretty fast, so I went for this small pack. Now this is also a red color which has a pink undertone in it, and see guys, it is also so beautiful. I hope you guys like this video, and if you have liked it, don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that bell. That is really important. That is the connection between you and me, and whenever I will upload videos, you will be getting that notification. And see you all in my next video. Until then, tata, take care, bye bye.